Hello my beautiful friends, I am back and I am back with a Boxycharm pop-up drop shop unboxing. In this drop shop, I don't even remember what I got. All I know is that I got a big box. So I'm like, whew. Okay, so let me just pull out the first thing I got. I got a Easy Rinse, no makeup, Easy Rinse makeup removing cleanser. And these are the, okay, my Pericone MD, yes, my cleansers, which I love so much. So I picked up 2 of these. So, picked up 2 more of those. So guys, don't sleep on those please, because those are amazing. Then I got a Natasha Denona Transformate Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. And this one I got it in the color medium 50 warm, no 50 WN medium. Let's see. Because I am light, so I got it in Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation. So I got it in warm. So I can always, if this is too dark, okay, hopefully I got it the right one. Oh, hopefully I got it in the right shade. So I got a Transform Matte. Okay, so hopefully it looks good. Let's put all this over here. Then I picked up Karma Beauty Titanium Zen Hybrid Flat Iron. Okay, let's put this box on the floor because this box is too big for me to put it right next to me. Oop, sorry guys. Titanium Zen Karma Beauty. Okay, so let's see how this works. I got so many, you guys don't even imagine. Let's see, this is from, oh, you can do curls with these, that's why I got it. I am, I do, I love. The core principle of the law of karma is the restoration of balance. Karma Beauty was founded on this very principle. Our hair is constantly under attack from environmental factors and styling products. These tools were designed to help counterbalance all of these negative aggressors and leave you with constantly harmonious hair. Titanium Zen. Our innovative flat iron to date, it helps to deliver stronger, shinier, and healthier hair. This professional salon-grade flat iron is designated for all hair types and approved for use with Brazilian keratin treatments. The Titanium Zen is a perfect harmony of technology and styling power, featuring a full LED LCD display, advanced metallic ceramic heater, titanium plates, and rounded cool tips for easier use. Achieve hair nirvana with our Titanium Zen flat iron. Okay. Okay, that can go on there. Let's see what else. Make sure there's nothing hidden. I don't want to throw anything away. Okay. Then I also picked up that I didn't remember is the L&W Bio Pas de Dukes Sonic Hot and Cold Facial Massager. So that is this. It says boost skincare products absorption, helps reduce skin puffiness and redness. Okay. And then this is the okay, how do we do this? If I ever get to open it. Oh. I always get caught because of the tape. Okay. I am still stuck because of the tape. Not because of the product. Guys, I am very bad when it comes to opening. Sorry. I am stuck here. Now, I took out the tape. How do you open this now? Oh my God. There we go. Horrible. Okay. Terrible. I'm terrible when it comes to opening. Okay, we got one of these jigamajiggers. Now everything is with those LCD stuff. Okay.
A few moments later.
We take out this. We put this back. Then we Okay, and then you just use one time. Okay, hot. Cold.
One hour later.
Okay, and battery power. Okay. It did turn on for a minute. So it has for hot and cold. Okay, so you just put it for your face for cold. If you want to be puffed cold, for massage hot. So definitely will be using this when I'm relaxing in my bed. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys for today. Yeah, that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.